This is the BMW F90 M5. For many, it represents the peak of the sports sedan. V8 monster that weighs 500 kilograms less than the new 2026 model. It's the last of its kind, an on-hybrid twin-turbo. Today, we find out why it's still the king. BMW F90 headlights are a blend of high-tech illumination design that can be significantly customized, especially via aftermarket LCI or CSL stock to enhance aesthetics and modern appeal. The 20-inch BMW 789M wheel is a popular forged alloy design for the F90 M5 and M8, known for its sporty, Y-spoke style and available in finishes like gold bronze or gloss black. Featuring staggered fitments, e.g., 9.5-inch front, 10.5 rear, with specific offsets like ET28 for performance, and aggressive looks on these high-performance models.
Under the hood is the legendary 4.4-liter 63 V8. It pushes 625 horse, 1000 nanometers of torque. It hits 0 to 100 in just 3.9. This was the first M5 to get all-wheel drive, but BMW didn't ruin the fun. You can go into the setting and select to 2WD mode. The sense 100% of the power to the rear wheels, turning the executive sedan into a tire-shredding drift machine.
Seating: M multifunction seats with electric adjustment, memory, lumbar support, and optional sportier bucket seats. Heated or ventilated options. Steering wheel: M leather wheel with multifunctional buttons, paddle shifters, and integrated M1, M2 buttons for quick settings recall. Materials: extensive leather, merino, Alcantara, carbon fiber trim, with illuminated M5 door sill finishes. Technology: iDrive system, iDrive 7, or later depending on year, with a large touchscreen. Touch-sensitive buttons, Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, voice control and gesture control. Dashboard: digital instrument cluster with M-specific displays and head-up display. Audio: optional Bowers and Wilkins diamond surround sound with illuminated speakers. Comfort and convenience: 4-zone automatic climate control, wireless charging, ambient lighting, electric rear sunblinds, and soft closed doors. If you want the ultimate version, there's the M5 CS. It's a 70 kilograms lighter and features gold bronze accent and bucket seats. Even in the standard competition, sharp, and the car feels smaller than it actually is. The dampers are stiff, the steering is a razor. As the world moves to heavy hybrids, the F90 M5 is becoming a legend. It's faster than an almost anything on the road and the more practical than a supercar if you want the best purely petrol M5 ever made.
Thanks for watching.